Hey guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. Welcome to my channel. Hello, hey, how you doing? So today we are going to be doing the neutral goddess version of this picture right here. I did this picture a week ago, 2 weeks ago. If you want to check out the video for this makeup look, the link will be down below. Maybe I can pop it up on screen if I can figure out how to do that. But we're going to be doing this look, but it's going to be neutral, gold, very like goddess-like, I guess you could say. Neutral goddess is what I'm going to call it. First thing I'm going to do is prep my eyes. We're going to take the Tarte Shape Tape. We're going to do one eye at a time. Take your finger, blend it out. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 35 Original Matte. And I have no idea what colors. Like, obviously it's going to be golden, whatnot, but I literally don't even know how I want to do this. So I'm going to start with the cat eye part. That's going to be like a dark brown. I do know I want to do that. So I'm going to take my Sigma Firm Blender brush. It's a little wet still. I just cleaned my brushes this morning. Just trying to dry it on my hand. Alright, it's good enough. Trying to figure out which brown I want to use. We're going to start with that brown. I'm very nervous because, you know, these neutral looks, they're very hard for me. I don't do them very good. Okay, so how did I start? I started here last time, right? Alright, so we're gonna start. I don't know what to do with my hands. Light pressure. Nothing happened. Oh god, I'm so scared. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna do is take it up and around. I already feel like it's not working the way I did my other one. Oh, you can do this. You got this. I don't know why. Color is so much easier for me. Browns? Forget about it. Can't do that for nothing. See, because it's not pointed the way I want it to be pointed. Okay, so now that that is where I want it to be, I'm still going to use actually a matte shade. I'm just going to take this BH Cosmetics, just a flat brush, just flat, just dirty. It looks dirty. I want this to be a little like chocolate brown, and then I want this to be like a light color, and I want them to fade into each other. That's the plan. We'll see if it's going to end up like that. So I'm going to take, yeah, look at this. Already. Alright, so we're going to start with this one right here. I'm going to pick some up on my brush. I'm going to put it right in this V right here. I'm just going to pack it on. Bring it towards the center. Okay, so I'm going to flip this brush to the other side, and we're going to take a lighter color. I'm going to pack it all on the inner corner and then bring it out. So now that I have my matte shades on, I'm going to go in with my shimmer shades. So 35 Original Shimmer, I don't know if that's what it's called. 35 OS. Whatever the S stands for. I would assume shimmer because, like, hello. So for here, I'm going to start with a darker color. Oh, maybe I should just leave this dark and then put the glitter on this side. We're gonna do that first, and then if I don't like it, then I'll just add glitter on both sides. But we're gonna just do the glitter, shine, foil. I don't know what these shades are called. I don't know. Something sparkly, glow, whatever they're called. So we're gonna start with a really golden shade right here. I feel like I always use that same damn gold. You know what? It's not gonna be gold. I really like this color, but this color is like a coppery color. Decisions. I wanted to put these earrings on, and they're gold. So now I'm like conflicted. But this color actually matched, like, it would go nice with this shirt. Oh, I'm undecided. Okay, so I'm stuck between this one and this one. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know. I'm gonna go with the bottom one. It's still a neutral color, right? That's a neutral color, correct? That counts as neutral. It still counts. It's like copper. Copper is like a neutral color, right? Put this on the inner corner. This definitely counts. Look how neutral that is. See, one of the things I don't like about neutral looks, and it could just be the way I film and the lighting that I have, I feel like they don't show up as good on camera. When I zoom in and do that last part where I show you guys my makeup up close, like, yeah, you'll definitely be able to see it. But right here, as I'm doing it, maybe it's just because on my viewfinder, I can't see it, but maybe when I edit, I'll be able to see it. But it looks like you can't see it. It could just be me. Maybe when I edit it, I'll see it. Okay, so now I'm going to take my finger and just rub it all in there. Oh, the pigmentation though. Can't even handle it. Just trying to mesh those two colors together so there isn't a distinct line there. Nothing on this finger. I mean, I could just do like a brown shimmer. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna use my finger because it's so much easier, honestly, when you use these type of shades, shadows, flavors. Just kidding. I know it's not flavors. All right, so we're gonna use just a neutral one. I'm just gonna pat it just gently because I don't want it to be like on there like the way this one is. I just want to put like a top layer on top of the brown that's there, just to give it a little more shine. And mix them together. Alright, so now, I didn't add any more to this brush, it's just the same brown that was on there. I'm just gonna go over this part again. Just to make sure I didn't lose any of that. And right in the crease, I'm just gonna blend. So that way those two colors look meshed together. Back with this brush that had that matte on it, just gonna go over lightly. Just to kind of mesh them together. I'm gonna go with my finger. I think that's it. I think that's all I'm gonna do for that eye. Just add more of this color here. Alright, we're gonna do this eye off camera and I will be back in about a second. Alright, so I did everything except for highlight because I want to do that on camera. Camera. So I'm gonna be using my Nicole Guerrero highlight palette. And I'm gonna just mix these golds together, but first I'm gonna use my IBY Beauty and use that as a base almost. Mix them up with my beauty blender. Not a lot, I'm just gonna use it as a base, just a little bit. I want this look to be very like golden and glowy, bronze, goddess like, you know? I'm gonna look oily AF, basically. Alright, so now that we did that one, I'm going to use a 143 in her palette to get up with my beauty blender and then just really go ham. Like, see that? Like, hers is so, like, bam. Like, I love her palette and I love her highlights, but they're very, like, girl, you glowing. That's why I do use the IBY Beauty for just, like, very chill, very natural. I mean, I'm sure I could hype these down, but who's gonna hype down a Kogoro highlight? Nobody. Center of my nose, tip of my nose, all the high points of your face. So then you're gonna take the tip of the beauty blender and do your under your brow. And I'm also gonna take that same 143 and I put that in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm gonna mix it with Glow Getter. Why not? Right in the inner corner. I don't think I did the inner corner in the other video, but I feel very glowy, so I feel like I want to do the inner corner in this one. I'm going to take my Quick Fix, spray some, and just kind of pat on top, just to melt it into your skin. That highlight though, I can't get over it. For my lips, I used L'Oreal. Is this L'Oreal? Yeah, L'Oreal and Ferris Nude. That's what I used. Alright, so I'm gonna do my hair quickly and then I will be back. Alright, I am back. Hair is, I don't even know what this hair is. I curled it and then I just did a braid and these two things, and I wanted it to look like goddessy, like, I don't know. This is what I came up with. I wanted it to be messy, curly. I don't know. Cute. I don't know. The even flow. I don't know. I put all my necklaces on because yeah, yeah. Okay, so this is the final look. This is I don't know, like I like it. I just like color so much more. I don't know. Like this is cute. Like obviously it's cute, but I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm insecure. But that's why I did my hair and everything, because I'm super insecure about this makeup. I don't know. Could just be me. I could just be crazy. It could literally probably looks fine. Alright. That's it. That's all I got for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'll try to do more neutral looks. I will not make any promises because neutral looks are not my favorite. But I will try to do more neutral looks, I promise. Actually, no, I don't promise. I'll just try. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. And give this video a big thumbs up so I know you like these makeup videos. I gotta know what you guys like. You gotta like the like. You gotta hit the like button so I know what you guys like. Make sure to follow all of my social medias. That'll be down below. And I think that's all I got for you guys. Just thank you guys so much. Thank you to everybody who subscribed to me this far. So far. And there is more to come in the future. I will see you guys next time. Bye!